Aloha! So as promised, I am giving you guys a quick tutorial on how to apply the new Countersun Mineral Sunscreen Mist by Beautycounter. So this is my first experience, so you're going to get my initial reactions and all that jazz. So really quickly, it's SPF broad spectrum 30. It provides UVA and UVB defense, and it's water resistant for 80 minutes. It's also, non-nano zinc oxide and antioxidant rich California poppy. So it's a physical sunscreen to shield against the UVA and UVB as well as blue light rays. So it's going to spray on white to help guide where I need to, where the application is, but I've been told it blends really easily and that it has a directional spray that's really nice. There's also a bag in here, so this is not an aerosol mist, and it is reef-friendly. Hawaii. Okay, so let's see, got to be smarter than the item here. So unlocking and locking, I love that, and I just locked it again. Okay, so you can see, ooh, that smells amazing. Okay, so I'm just pressing it into my skin. So it looks like it's coming out in like 3 different directions, but 3 different concentrated directions. So it's not just putting a spot on you, you know how that works? And my shoulders. So let's see. And guys, it just smells amazing. I can't get over that. So I'm gonna put it underneath, of course. But that is the gist. Oh, it's so moisturizing. That feels really good. Because you know how some sunscreens can be really drying? This is not feeling that way at all. Not at all. So there's the shoulder, super moisturized. You know how a lot of zinc is white? It is not white, and it smells amazing. So Janine gives us a thumbs up. Again, the Beautycounter Countersun Mineral Sunscreen Mist, broad spectrum 30, UVA, UVB, and blue light rays, and it's water resistant for 80 minutes. I'll put the link in the comments below. Thanks, guys. Questions welcomed. Bye.